Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is the last one, part 9 of April 2024 Patreon STL uh, prints for D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. Hopefully, you guys enjoy the last of the April ones for it. These are the extras I have just in case if we have an extra day or we did none of them have none of the stuff for what we wanted. So we got Des. Oh, if you do enjoy, please subscribe, like, and share, and also our Patreon Discord down below. All the links that we'll be looking at will be down in the description below as well. Waylad Studio. These are our figures. One, so we got the border bar ones. If you want to do like Cyberpunk, we got Claptrap as well. So probably like Borderlands style ones for you as well. The Maker's Cult. This is probably a Warhammer proxy. Well, it should. I don't know why it's not freaking loading. There you go. April. What do we have here? We got some Imperials with jetpacks, and some stuff. So you can use some of these as your proxies if you guys are enjoying it. So far, nothing to kind of, push my interest in a lot of this thing. So Clay Beast Creation. These are good for Age of Sigmar. I believe they're also good for Old World as well. Let's see what we got. I think these are, I don't know, elves or dark elves. I don't know much of the the Age of Sigmar and the Old World. I do have some that I want to paint up, but if you guys are interested, that looks like a Zinch's bird right there. That looks freaking creepy. Zinch. Style Penvo sculpts. These are figures. So we got Elvira. If you do like Elvira and I think Lily Monster was last month. GS Sculpt. Nell Bealey. I think this one's from Lord of the Rings or The Hobbit. I forgot which one. If you're interested on that, and yeah. We got Merge Project figures. That's the welcome pack. You got Exodia, Ryu, and Sora. April bonus, loyalty. What will April be? If I scroll down, will that work? No. War Greymon. Yeah, April reward. We got Sonya, Dark Knight from Yu-Gi-Oh! Forgot this guy from the old Cartoon Networks. And you got War Greymon for your April reward. GS Pyro Digital Artist. I think last time they had was March 31st. Looks like it. I don't see anything for April for this. Sonics. So we have Dune. He was working on some kind of Dune character. Oh. I forgot the guy's this. I haven't watched part 2 yet for that. War Machine. Yeah, I don't like it when you guys. I want to see what's going to be up. I have to scroll all the way down to look at that. So I can see that there was War Machine. It looks for it. Ghost, War Machine. I can't see what they have for it, but if you want to pay the extra money, go for it. We already looked at this on the last one. Drunken Dwarves. I think they're on the pause right now. Nova Minis. Complete set. April. It looks like I got Medusas for April. So if you need Medusas for your D&D game, this probably be it. Medusa with the bow. This is all. We got Dwarf Male Paladin. Warlock, Medusa Warlock. Half elf male druid. Let's see, monster ones. Throwback, Obelith. They should have something like, whole thing for it, but I'm going as long because there's a lot here in this tab. Dragon Collector, April Skull. I think that's Lobo Batman right there. That'd be kind of cool to have. Wonder Woman with the man who laughs. Realm of Path. This is for Blood Bowl, I believe. So I think you're getting Beastman, Demon Warrior, or Corn, Blood Bowl. If you're interested in that. Titan Troll Miniatures. Let's see here what we got for April. We got some bust, couple of commoners, looks like it. And we got some hog folks as well. Rocket Pig. I don't think they're doing anything anymore. They just do $1 thing on Kickstarter now. But other than that, it to me was just too damn expensive. Ghost Rider. Their stuff is really, really weird to see which one's coming up next and so forth. So they do really good sculpt. But if you're really interested, you may want to look more into this Creative Greek MD. Okay. Exclusive 3D prints. That's May. Team Rocket Jesse. It might be May. Snow White. They should have what's coming up for April, but I guess not. So I'm guessing Jesse, Snow White will be for April. Rogue is going to be for May. Lost Lobbyist Miniatures. They didn't have anything else since last year, October. Moid, very good one for Battletech and for Warhammer Proxy as well. For, I think, Assault Quadralar, I believe. But, yeah. I haven't done any of his paints yet. I don't have the resin right now. Let's see, April works. There should be more stuff for it. April, March Sentinel. I know they have a lot more stuff. I don't think this is just it. I believe. I think they're gonna do a lot more stuff. Just keep an eye out for them. He's pretty good. Primal Beast Miniatures. Haven't done anything for the past last year as well. Pugga Miniature as well. Oh, we got some rat folks from. I know that Age of Sigmar, they're removing a lot of it out. For April, World Rats. Anything? Because I don't want to pay money. Nope. I know this April's for the rat folks, so. The Mechanized Madness of John Bear Ross. This is actually really good if you work for Warlord Titan. This one is one of them. They do different variation Warlord Titans for it. That's kind of cool. I thought eyes were like missiles, but yeah. But yeah, check them out as well. I got all their Gundam ones. That's what I really wanted one. Dynamo Miniatures. April. Looking at it, I think they're like Necrons. Necrons. They're Necrons. Annihilator. Yes, Necrons. You want Necrons? There you go. You probably not see it, but you can kind of make it out by the blur. Necrons. We need more Necron stuff as well. Saki 3D models. These. I think this is a term. That's what I'm gonna have for miniatures as well. I know the creator of Dragon Ball passed away. Everyone try to get some Dragon Ball stuff in as well. Welcome package. Hermione Ranger, Star Wars, She-Ra. I haven't really seen much. Yeah, those are the only thing that I see. Nudes. I don't know why they keep doing freaking nudes shit. Surrogate Miniatures, a Warhammer Proxy. So we have this, some Dreadnoughts. It is for Warhammer 30k. Yeah. Silver Paladin. So I think. So this is like the Dreadnoughts. I think for the Grey Knights, I believe. That'd probably be good for Proxy as well. Majo Forge. They do. They always get their shit out really at the last minute, but they have very good sculpts for terrain pieces for like buildings. This is for March, but they do really good work. for it, and they have the Ghostfield, town of Ghostfield. I'll get the Kickstarter for that up on the description for you guys as well, if you're interested of getting that. I know some people were asking me, what about Kickstarters and stuff, but certain ones I just miss. TPK Lab hasn't done theirs for a long time. Zahan Studio, we have Khalifa rendered from Super Dragon Ball. That'll be it for this month for that. Raven Eye, we got the Radish Spirit from Spirited Away. Princess Peach from that from the game. That's for last month. I think this Radish Spirit is only for this month. So if you're interested, already looked at that from the last Patreon. Sin 3D Studio, we got Mayo. I already saw that a couple Patreons ago. Figures Dawn. It's the current month. We got Ratchet and Clank. That's probably from Pokemon for it. Monster Hunter release. Akiko. Luna for Pokemon Sun and Moon. That's for that. We got 2 more left. That's already late. VG 3D prints. Nothing for that yet. Well, anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.